Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your personal data from the Flow Period Tracker app for privacy reasons, follow these step-by-step instructions to remove your information permanently. Step 1. Open the Flow app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon in the top left or right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Settings or Account Settings to view all available options for managing your profile and data. Step 4. Look for an option labeled Privacy, Data Management, or Delete Account, and tap on it to access data deletion settings. Step 5. Read the warning message carefully, as deleting your data is permanent and cannot be undone. This will remove all your cycle history, symptoms, and predictions. Step 6. Confirm that you want to delete your account and data by typing your password or confirming through a verification code sent to your email. Step 7. Tap Delete My Data or Delete Account to proceed with the permanent deletion. The app will process your request and may take up to 30 days to fully remove all data. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation message from Flow stating that your account deletion request has been received and processed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.